Assalamu alaikum. Lesson 103, Addition and Subtraction. We will start with our daily math challenge as usual. Open your math journal to lesson 103. Our challenge is 20 more than 61. How can we solve this? We can use our 100 chart. So you will take part of our 100 chart. Here we're saying 20 more than 61, so we will put our finger on 61. Here we're saying more than or less than, more than, so we increase. The number get bigger, so we go down. How many? 20. 20 squares means 2/10, so we will go down 2 times. If your finger is on 61, go down 1, it will be 71, and one more time it will be 81. So 61 plus 20 equals how many? Equals 81. This is the same meaning of 20 more than 61. 20 more than, I get 20 more than 61 after the 61. Okay, so the answer of our daily math challenge is 81. I want you to solve this mentally, only on your mind. You will not draw the 100 chart, you will not write the addition problem. Automatically when I say 20 more than 61, so this means that 2/10 more than, so I increase the tens by 2, so the 6 become 8. Today we will play a game called Circle Up and Down. It's an interesting game. It will help us to practice addition and subtraction skills. Here we have 10 circles. I will give you 10 empty circles and you will put numbers, any 10 numbers from 1 to 20. For example, here I will write 16, 12, 2, 14, 9, 4, 8, 18, 11, 1. Any number you want to write between 1 and 20. Our game is that we will choose a number to start with. For example, I will start with 2 and I want to get to 12. What had we done to get to 12? I must add or subtract a number that will make the answer 12. So I have 2 and I have to add or subtract a number to get 12. Okay. Here, I wonder what I should do. Should I add to 2 or should I subtract from 2? How can I know this? From the answer. The answer is 12. The number get bigger or smaller? If the number is bigger than, so I add it to 2. If the number gets smaller, so I take away or I subtract from 2. Here we have 2. To get to 12, I added how many? The tens increased by 1, so we added 1 10. So 2 plus 10 equals 12. This is our game. We will go from number to another and we will see if we had added or subtract, and we added how many or subtracted how many. Let's complete the game. Now we are on 12 and we want to go to, for example, 8. So 12 to 8, the 8 is smaller than 12, so we subtracted how many? Count after 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. They are 4. So 12 minus 4 equals 8. I will go from 8 to 1. The number get smaller, so we subtracted how many? 8 minus how many equal 1? 7. So 8 minus 7 equal 1. Okay, let's see. If we go from 1 to 11, the number get bigger, so we added how many? 110 here. You look here, you have 1 once and then they become 11, so I added 1 in the tens, so I do 10 more, or plus 10. We have here plus 10. We will go from the 11 to the 4. The number gets smaller, so we subtracted how many? Count after 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. They are 7. 11 minus 7 equals 4. Okay, from 4 I will go to 14. I added how many again? 110. 10 more. So 4 plus 10 equals 14. From 14 to 16 the number get bigger. It's so easy. The ones increased by 2, so we added only 2. 14 plus 2 equals 16. From the 16 to the 18 we added also 2 plus 2. From the 18 to the 9 the number gets smaller, so we subtracted how many? Count from 9 to 18. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. They are 10. 9. 18 minus 9 equal 9. This is our game. Can you do it by yourself? I think you can do it. Open your math journal to page 191. This is part 2. In part 1 we did the daily math challenge. In part 2 we will do the circle up and down game. Okay, write a number from 1 to 20 in each circle below. Decide how you will travel around the board. Draw arrows to each circle you visit and write the addition or subtraction problem next to the each arrow. Okay, you will choose 10 number, whatever you like to add to put here, but they must be from 1 to 20. And write beside each arrow from circle to circle the addition or subtraction, plus how many or minus how many. Thank you so much.